Hey guys, this is Bontley. Today we have Yan right here and we're gonna show you something incredible. So I'm gonna borrow a few things from you. Do you have wallet, phones, anything that is with you? Please bring it out. What do you have? So okay, we have headphones and we need 4 items in total. So I'm gonna need a few more things. Okay, a wallet. Okay, and then keep on going. Okay, playing cards, so you are magicians. That's fine, I'm gonna fool you anyway. So one last thing, okay, phone, which everyone has. So you have the wallet, the phone, and then playing cards, and also the headphones, okay? So I'm gonna place it like so. And now I'm gonna turn around and you follow my instructions, okay? Perfect, so you turn around. And now I want you to pick one of the objects in your hand. When you're okay, just let me know. You got it? Okay, I want you to place the object inside your front right pocket. Right hand side, the front pocket. Good?
Okay.
Okay, and now I want you to pick one more object. And this time, I want you to place it in your left hand side pocket, the front one. Okay? When you're finished, just let me know. Perfect. And now I want you to pick one more object. This time I want you to place it inside your back pocket. You good? Okay. Now I want you to pick up the last items on the table. And I want you to hold it in your hand, but this time I'm going to hold it at the back, so when I turn around, I can't see the object. You good? Okay, so there's no items on the table and I have no idea what items that you have picked, and now I try to read your mind and know what objects that you placed. So let's try. 1, 2, 3. I think I know. Inside your hand is something, it is small, which you use every day. I think it is the headphone, is it? Bring it out. Yes, perfect. It is the headphone. And then I think in your back pocket, I think it is something a magician will use. You're a magician. Yes, I think it's a playing cards. Is it? Yes, perfect. So it's the playing cards. And then I think in your right hand side is something huge, bigger than everything else. I think it is your phone. Is it? Bring it out. And of course, last but not least, inside your left hand side pocket is going to be your wallet. And that's a perfect match, and that's the magic of the day.